Hello everyone, this is Bhumika Patil, lecturer in Information Technology from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. In this video, we are going to see about fourth chapter, that is digital evidences. The learning outcomes of these chapters are digital evidences, rules of digital evidences, characteristics of digital evidences, types of evidences, challenges in evidence handling, volatile evidences. Here are some subpoints of each and every outcome. Digital evidences. The field of computer security includes events that provide a successful courtroom experience, which are both worthwhile and satisfactory. Investigation of a computer security incident leads to legal proceeding, such as court proceeding, where the digital evidences and documents obtained are likely used as exhibits in the trial. To meet the requirements of the judging body and to withstand or face any challenges, it is essential to follow the evidence handling procedure. Also, it is necessary to ensure that the evidence handling procedures chosen are not difficult to implement at your organization, as this can sometimes become an overhead for an organization. While investigating a computer security incident, we are sometimes unsure and indecisive whether an item, for example a chip, floppy disk, etc., should be considered as an evidence attachment or as an addendum or a supplement. Digital devices are everywhere in today's world, helping people communicate locally and globally with ease. Most people immediately think of computers, cell phones, and the in as the only source for digital evidence. But any piece of technology that processes information can be used in a criminal way. For example, handheld games can carry encoded messages between criminals, and even newer household appliances such as refrigerator with a built-in TV could be used to store, view, and share illegal images. The important thing to know is that responders need to be able to recognize and properly seize potential digital evidences. Digital evidences or electronic evidences. What is evidence? Any information that can be confident or trusted and can prove something related to a case in a trial, that is indicating that a certain substance or a condition is present. Relevant evidence. An information which has a positive impact on the action occurred, such as the information supporting an incident. Digital evidence. Digital evidence is any information or a data that can be confident or trusted and can prove something related to a case trial, that is indicating that a certain substance or a condition is present. It is safe to use such information as evidence during an investigation. Digital evidences or electronic evidences is any probative information stored or transmitted in a digital form that a party to a court case may use as a trial. Before accepting digital evidences, a court will determine if the evidence is relevant, whether it is authentic, if it is hearsay, and whether a copy is acceptable of the original is required. Digital evidence is also defined as information and data of value to an investigation that is stored on, received, or transmitted by an electronic device. This evidence can be acquired when electronic devices are seized and secured for examination. Digital evidences is latent or hidden, like fingerprints or a DNA evidence, crosses jurisdictional borders quickly and easily, can be altered, damaged, or destroyed with a little effort, can be time sensitive. There are many sources of digital evidences. The topic is divided into three major forensic categories of devices where evidence can be found: internet based, standalone computers or devices, and mobile devices. These areas tend to have different evidences gathering processes, tools, and concerns, and different types of crimes tend to lend themselves to one device or the other. Some of the popular electronic devices which are potentially digital evidences are HDD, that is hard disk drive, CD DVD media, backup tapes, USB drive, biometric scanner, digital camera, smartphone, smart card, PDA, etc. Here are some forms of digital evidences. Text message, emails, pictures, videos and internet searches are most common type of digital evidences. The digital evidences are used to establish a credible link between the attacker victim and the crime scene. Some of the information stored in the victim's system can be potential digital evidence. Are IP addresses, system login and remote login details, browsing history, log files, emails, images, etc. Digital evidences may be in the form of email messages, may be deleted one also, office file, deleted files of all kinds, encrypted file, compressed files, temporary files, recycle bin, web history, cache files, cookies, registry, unallocated space, slack space, web or email server access logs, domain access logs. Best evidence rule. The original or true writing or recording must be confessed in court to prove its contents without any expectations. An original copy of the document is considered as superior evidence. One of the rule states that if evidence is readable by sight or reflects the data accurately, such as any printout or data stored in a computer or similar devices or any other output, it is considered as original. It states that multiple copies of electronic files may be part of the original or equivalent to the original. The collected electronic evidence is mostly transferred to different media. Hence, many computer security professionals are dependent on these rules. What is the best evidence? The most complete copy or a copy which includes all necessary parts of evidence which is closely related to the original evidence. For example, a client has a copy of the original evidence media. The best evidence rule says that an original writing must be offered as evidence unless it is unavailable, in which case other evidences like copies, notes, or further testimony can be used. Since the rule concerning evidence on a computer are fairly reasonable, what you can see on the monitor is what the computer contains. Computer printouts are the best evidence. Computer records and records obtained from a computer are best evidences. Original evidence. The procedure adopted to deal with a situation or a case takes it outside the control of the client or a victim. A case with a proper diligence or a case with the persistence work will end up in a judicial proceeding and we will handle the evidences accordingly. For this purpose, original evidences as the truth or real or original copy of the evidence media which is given by victim or a client. We define best incident as a most complete copy which includes all the necessary part of the evidence that are closely related to the original evidence. It is also called as a duplication of evidence media. There should be an evidence protector which will store either the best evidence or original evidence for every investigation in the